Okay, welcome Feller Automotive. We are testing out the Harbor Freight edition of a plastic welding kit. Now, I've used some high dollar kits before, but we're going to see how well this works. We're working on a '01 Lincoln Town Car. It's a nice car, except for somebody don't know how to back. So let's unbox it and see what we got. It's got a nice little tip on it. Pretty long cord. Got a little wire brush. Got some welding rods, which will all be black. Got some mesh wire. There's a stand for your welder. Small item number 60662. It's a Chicago Electric, so it's Harbor Freight edition. So we'll fire up and see what she like. Stand by. Okay, we're back. This is pretty damaged. You can see somebody's tried to repair it. You see how well that worked. We gotta find something to fill this hole in. The rest of it, I think we can get welded, especially right here. We also got this nice little one going up the trunk, towards the trunk. We'll let this thing heat up. It's heating up pretty quick, but we will let her heat up and go from there. All right. She's all heated up. She heated up pretty quick, but it's already starting to weld together. I'm just going with what's there. I haven't used any welding rods yet. We're smoothing out the surface so we can actually get a welding rod in there. But it's heating up good. This may work. All right, we're back. She's heated up, welding good. I mean, it's doing its job. I mean, I've had to use a little bit of the welding rod. You just basically stick it up here. It's kind of hard to demonstrate with a phone in one hand, but you just stick it up there wherever you feel the crack in, heat it up, or you can cut the mesh. If it's a big crack like this one, cut the mesh to the length of the crack and heat it up, heat the mesh into whatever you're welding, and then fill it in as needed with the welding rod. And apparently it only comes in black on the welding rod, so I'm gonna have to figure something out, paint over it or something. So we're gonna keep on going. Okay, it's filling these cracks in pretty good. Hardest thing is the actual paint on the bumper itself. Either you have to take it off or melt it out of the way, because it will not melt. But it's working. So far so good. She did pretty good on this crack right here. I just followed the line all the way up, added a few little spots that were really bad. It looks pretty good, and it's pretty strong. We'll keep on going and see what happens. Okay, well, we got her filled in, and it is sturdy. I mean, she did good. I mean, it ain't pretty, but it'll hold that bumper together, I promise you. This little thing is definitely recommended. Well, I'm gonna throw a little paint on her after I sand it down, and I'll show you the end result. Well, she ain't pretty, but that bumper ain't gonna fall off of it now. That thing worked like a champ. These bumpers are expensive, and the ones that are in a junkyard are in worse shape. So it's highly recommended. That little Harbor Freight plastic welder. My review is good on it. This is Fowler Automotive. We'll talk to you later. Bye.